In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to AD GIF in Framer. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the GIF option inside Framer and how to pull a looping animation straight from Giphy into your design without breaking your flow. Start by opening your browser and heading to framer.com. If you're not already signed in, do that first so you can access your work. Once you're in, open the project you want to edit so you're looking at the main canvas. This is your working area where frames, components, and layers live, and it's where the GIF will be placed. Next, look to the top left corner of the interface for the Insert button. This is your gateway to everything you can drop into the canvas. Clicking it opens the Insert panel, and you'll see categories that help you quickly find the right item. If you prefer shortcuts, the Insert panel can also be opened from the keyboard, which speeds things up, but clicking works perfectly too. Inside the Insert panel, make sure you're in the Elements section. Elements is where the core building blocks are grouped, and we want the media category inside it. Click Media to reveal visual items you can place, such as images and, in our case, animated content. If you don't immediately see the GIF option, simply scroll through the list until you find it. Depending on your screen size, it may be lower in the panel. When you spot GIF, click it to activate the tool and then click on the canvas to place it. Framer will add a resizable placeholder frame that's ready to be filled. With the GIF element selected, look for the built-in Giphy search. This lets you pull animated GIFs directly from Giphy without leaving Framer. Type a keyword that matches the mood or theme you're going for. Think celebration, arrow, or subtle sparkle. Browse the results, and when you find one you like, select it to apply it to the GIF frame on your canvas. Once it's in, you can resize the GIF by dragging the handles on the frame. Keep proportions locked if you want to avoid stretching. Position it where it supports your layout, and consider layer order so it doesn't hide important content. For performance and visual polish, pick shorter, lighter GIFs when possible. They tend to loop smoothly and keep your design snappy. That's it. You went to Framer, opened your project, used Insert, navigated elements to media, found the GIF tool, and searched with Giphy to drop in the perfect animation. Save your work, and you're ready to continue designing with motion in mind.